Welcome back to Car Reviews 2024. Get ready to discover the 2025 Ferrari 812 Competizione stands as a testament to Ferrari's commitment to high-performance engineering and design excellence. This limited production supercar is the pinnacle of the 812 series, incorporating cutting-edge technology with the brand's storied racing heritage. At its heart is a 6.5-liter V12 engine, tuned to produce around 830 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines in production. The power is channeled through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and an advanced rear-wheel drive system, delivering breathtaking acceleration and precise handling. The 812 Competizione features a revised aerodynamic package, including a more aggressive front splitter, rear diffuser, and active aerodynamics, all designed to enhance downforce and stability at high speeds. The suspension system has been upgraded with Ferrari's latest magnetorheological dampers, allowing for dynamic adjustments to suit both track and road conditions. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and functionality, with lightweight racing seats, a minimalist dashboard, and advanced driver assistance systems. The interior materials are premium, combining carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather to create a high-tech yet comfortable environment. On the road, the 812 Competizione delivers an exhilarating driving experience, with an exhaust note that resonates with a deep, visceral growl. Its precise steering, exceptional braking performance, and rapid throttle response make it a joy to drive on both winding roads and track circuits. In summary, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Competizione is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, offering unparalleled performance, refined luxury, and a true driving experience that honors Ferrari's racing pedigree.